Hi, I'm Colleen Mullaney for ColleenMullaney.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make really great gift tags for the holidays. They're so easy and they're so colorful and sparkly and fun. So here's what we need. We need some of these little postal tags that I picked up at the craft store, and they come in packages of like 20, and they do come in, different colors and different sizes, but I kind of like the larger size, and I like the white because in the stationery aisle of the craft store I found these great sparkly letters. I mean, how fun are these letters? And then also I found these great letters that are in all different patterns, polka dots and stripes, and they all cut so you can mix and match them. So what we're going to do is just take one of our little tags here, and let's see, what should we do? Why don't we do an H? Okay, now take our tacky glue. We're just going to glue to the back of here. There we go. There we go. This is from my friend Hillary. And simple and easy. Just glue it right on there. It's really modern, graphic, fun. Initials are so hot right now. People will think that you're so creative when you hand them their Christmas present with these great gift tags on them. Some other really fun ones that I've made. This is great, Kate. And then M for my mom, so she knows what present is hers. And this is cute too. A little XO. And you can do initials. Those are great as well. Really fun, colorful, graphic. You just need now a little ribbon. Put it right through the hole. And you're all set to attach it to your holiday gift. So these are really fun, so easy to make. Great collection of gift tags. Thanks for watching. I'm Colleen Mullaney.